Good evening to you and thank you for joining us. A man is now in police custody following a police standoff in Terre Haute. This morning, a man barricaded himself in a car along Locust Street. The Indiana State Police have identified the man as 41-year-old Anthony Cheeseman. He already had a warrant out for a probation violation. ISP says he'll face a charge of resisting law enforcement. Other charges may be brought following a search of his vehicle. While the situation ended peacefully, state police say this could have been a dangerous situation for bystanders in the area. News 10's Caitlin Hunt has more details on the standoff and concerns from police.
Indiana State Police and several other local officers were involved in a standoff Friday morning. It all started around 9:45 when an Indiana State Police officer tried to pull over 41-year-old Anthony Cheeseman for false and fictitious plates. He refused to stop, and this led to a pursuit through town. Cheeseman then drove to an alleyway near 22nd and Locust. Police surrounded him as he refused to get out of the vehicle. ISP Sergeant Matt Ames says multiple strategies were used to get Cheeseman out of the vehicle.
Terre Haute Police Department's SWAT team, they brought some non-lethal weapons to coerce the individual out after we used our hostage negotiator from the Indiana State Police to try to get the individual to come out.
Cheeseman eventually got out of the vehicle at about 11:30, and he was tased by law enforcement. Cheeseman's loved ones were on the scene along with several bystanders. And while Ames understands this was an emotional situation, there is a law in place that states individuals must stay 25 feet away from a police scene. So Ames is asking everyone in the future to honor this law and the police barricades put in place.
Everyone wants to get their cell phones out and start reeling their cell phones. However, we had weapons drawn out here and trying to talk to the public and advise them that they need to move out of the way. We're just making sure that we're making it as safe for the public, ourselves, and of course we're using every means possible so that we can get the individual that was barricaded today to do exactly what we want them to do.
In Terre Haute, Caitlin Hunt, News 10.